Hello, my name is John Adams, and I'm Deputy Director here at Biosphere 2. One of the truly unique features of Biosphere 2 is we have a million-gallon ocean. It was originally designed after a Caribbean reef environment, and early on, some of the most significant research came out of this area. And we were able to show a direct connection between increasing atmospheric CO2 and decreasing coral calcification. And what I mean by that is that the ability of corals to grow was significantly impacted in a negative way as CO2 in the atmosphere goes up. Today, we have a really unique opportunity as we have a group of researchers from around the world who are interested in repurposing our ocean to continue not only a better understanding of increasing CO2 and its impact on corals, but also how is that further compounded by the warming conditions that we see around reefs.